We are making a chicken salad with avocado and arugula dressing. We are starting with a 6-ounce chicken breast that has been defrosted overnight or in cold water. We are going to season the chicken with salt and pepper on both sides. And we're going to go ahead and do it in the pan and then pop it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees. Put a little oil in the pan. Make sure it's under high flame. And we're going to go ahead and put our chicken in. And what this will do is sear the chicken to keep the juiciness inside. It only takes a few seconds. I'm going to go ahead and flip it. We already got a nice color on it, and it's going to go in the oven for 6 minutes. While our chicken breast is cooking, we're going to go ahead and make the arugula dressing, which is 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, about a 1/2 cup of arugula, which is a little peppery kind of lettuce. We're going to put that in there. We're going to go ahead and put salt and pepper to taste. And we're going to go ahead and blend it. Make sure it gets all chopped up. There we go. We'll get this transferred into our bowl. This will be our nice dressing for our chicken salad. And what we're going to do is we're going to chop up a 1/2 head of romaine lettuce. In big slices, so you get lots of crunch. We'll put that in our bowl. We have 2 Roma tomatoes that we will go ahead and cut and go ahead and pull out the seeds. And you want to get big chunks of tomato so you got something nice to bite down onto. And we'll do 2 of these. Get all the seeds out. And here we go. There's our big chunks. Start adding these to our bowl. And maybe I have a little too much tomato, but for my taste, but that should do it. Then we'll take our avocado and we'll go ahead and put some score marks right in it, like so, and across. And then you go ahead and get a spoon and it'll come out in some nice chunks and pieces. Do the same to the other side. And the only thing that remains is our chicken, which should be ready. We'll go ahead and toss all this together. Give it a mix. And let's check on our chicken. Let me get it out of the oven. And we will go ahead and put it on a plate and let it rest. Our chicken is ready, and we're going to just slice it into some big chunks. And you can see how juicy it really is. And we'll go ahead and chop it for our salad. And we're ready to add it. Bring up a plate. And now you have this beautiful chicken breast with big chunks of tomato and avocado for a healthy meal at home.